Chawangkining village authority has raised serious allegations against three unrecognized Kuki settlements at Kolin, Saikot and West Haipi, accusing them of illegally encroaching into the legally demarcated boundaries of Chawangkining Naga village in Kangpokpi district. In an official statement issued by village chairman C.H. Vishwabhau, the authority claimed that the unauthorized settlements have unlawfully erected village signboards and boundary stones within Chawangkining's jurisdiction. According to the village authority, one of these settlements falsely claimed to have been established in 1980, despite official records confirming that the area was uninhabited at the time Chawangkining Naga village received government recognition in 2002. Particular concern was raised over the case of West Haipi, which the settlement alleges was originally located below Mauhing Kuki village and led by the late Tilko Thang. Following his demise, a new signboard marking West Haipi was reportedly installed within Chawangkining's land without any legal recognition or administrative approval. The statement also alleged that these unrecognized settlements have been unveiling government benefits and development schemes by misrepresenting themselves as recognized villages. Chawangkining Village Authority has appealed to the Kangpokpi District Administration and relevant government bodies to conduct an immediate and impartial ground verification of the disputed areas, halt misuse of government resources by unauthorized villages, and uphold legal and territorial rights of Chawangkining Naga village.